Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why you're getting P0452 Evaporative Control System Pressure Sensor Low Input Code. If you're getting P0452, it means that the evap sensor in the evap system detected low pressure in the evap system. Before you do anything, first check for a loose gas cap. If that gas cap is loose, it can trigger that code. Also, make sure the seal on the gas cap is not broken and make sure it is not cracked. If that O-ring or seal is bad, go ahead and replace it. Next, check the charcoal canister. Maybe the charcoal canister is damaged. Maybe there's a crack on the charcoal canister. Make sure the charcoal canister evap lines or hose are not cracked. Make sure it is not loose and make sure it is not damaged. If you're in a vehicle and you're smelling strong fuel smell, it is possible that the charcoal canister is cracked. So again, if that charcoal canister is cracked, you might get P0452 code. Next, if this rubber hose going straight to the charcoal canister, make sure that charcoal canister rubber hose is not pinched. If the gas cap is not the issue and the charcoal canister is not the issue and the evap lines is not the issue, you might actually have a bad fuel tank pressure sensor. So the fuel tank pressure sensor most likely is going to be mounted directly on the fuel tank. And again, if there's something wrong with the sensor, you're going to get P0452 code. Next, you might have a faulty canister vent valve. If that vent valve is faulty, go ahead and replace it. Next, maybe you have a damaged fuel tank. For example, if you have to drop the fuel tank to replace the fuel pump, maybe you accidentally damaged it. So if that fuel tank is damaged, make sure to replace it. Now I'm going to summarize everything. So the first thing, you should always check for a bad gas cap, O-ring, or seal. If it is cracked or it is damaged, go ahead and replace it. Also, make sure this part over here is not distorted when it is going inside the filler neck. Also, the next thing you should check is for a bad fuel tank pressure sensor. Make sure this part over here, make sure it is not cracked or damaged. Make sure the wires are not damaged or loose, because if you change that fuel pump and the fuel tank pressure sensor is there, it is very possible to accidentally pull that line and cause damage to the connector and wire. And the next thing you should always check is for a cracked charcoal canister, and make sure to check it all around. Check the body, because since it is located underneath the vehicle, it is prone to damage when it gets hit by a rock or a road object. And of course, I always check all connectors on the evap line, make sure it is not loose. Make sure the clips are not missing on it. And also make sure the wire or connector is not damaged, and make sure it is not corroded. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.